He had a bone in his mouth. He looked into the water and saw his own reflection in it. Thinking it was another dog with a bone, he wanted that bone too. Pow, pow! He bound his mouth. The bone his mouth fell into the river. Moral of the story is never be greedy.